Hey, Big Rich. So today we're going to take you through the sound settings on your iPhone or iPad. So again, using the sound control, you can decide if you want to vibrate your phone for incoming notifications or ringer, change how loud or quiet it is. You can change whether or not when you hit the buttons on your phone, whether it sends a sound back or not. And then setting ringtones, new email. You go through a lot of configuration of your iPhone for how you might like it. You can even take sounds to the level where for each of your contacts, when they call it, it rings a different sound or ringtone. So let's take you through the sound setting. So to find sounds, we look for the settings icon again, right? That's the gears icon, says settings. And we scroll right down, it's somewhere in the middle. We see sounds, little speaker icon there. Select sounds in the menu. And again, on the sounds menu, it gives you a lot of choices on what you can and can't do. So you can see you can actually vibrate on ring. So if the phone's ringing, you can vibrate at the same time. If the phone's set on silent, you can vibrate on silent. So a couple different choices there. I have mine set to vibrate all the time. You can obviously just turn one of the switches on and off to go the other way. Right? Ringer and alerts, you can set the volume level. You can hear it getting louder and quieter. I can go back the other way and make it quiet. So I kind of have mine set at the middle there. So you can also have the volume change with buttons on the side. So I turn that on. The volume of the ringer and alerts can be adjusted using the volume button. So the two buttons on the side, right? I can press them. Let's try and hold the phone down here while I do this. And change the volume with the side buttons also, right? So dynamically. So I'm going to leave that on. I like that feature. And then you can change your different tones for your different applications right on your phone. So you can change your ringtone. Mine happens to be set for opening. You just heard that. I can select a different tone if I want. So if I want to do circuit. So that's the tone you hear every time your phone rings. Okay? And it prompts you and lets you know what that setting is. So you can change that. When you receive a text message, you can have it be a different tone. Mine's set for note. A new voicemail, right? New mail. So these are all the various settings. So you can go in and play for reminders, calendars, sent mail, all the different sounds that it can make. Mine are pretty much set up for the iPhone defaults. I really don't care. You can also turn keyboard clicks on and off. So again, if you're typing, you hear the tick, tick, tick sound. If you don't want to hear that, you turn keyboard clicks on and off. And if you don't like the lock sound, you can turn the lock on and off, right? So that's the lock sound on, lock sound off. So those are the settings for the different tones. Again, you can go into each of your contacts if you want to. We'll show you that in a later video. You can change each of the tones for each of your contacts if you want, so they ring differently. Your wife can be one tone, your daughter or son a slightly different one. So there you have it. So again, on the settings menu, it's back in the sounds menu. All right, there you have it. So hopefully your iPhone and iPad are ringing you happier every day. Make sure to subscribe for more information and iPad and iPhone help.